Last question. How could we as music teachers create more Jacob Colliers in our studios, do you reckon? What can we
Wow.
do to make more, encourage more of what you give the world?
Well, in some ways, I don't think the world needs another one of me. I mean, I'm me, but I am me. That is true. But I think that one valuable thing that I've really realized recently is that the best service that a person can do to the world is just to be themselves, and that goes to teachers and students alike. And I think that the teachers who are willing and able to speak from a point of view of kind of trust, those guys tend to, in my experience, get the best results. And when I was a young boy, really my environment was far less about discipline and far less about expectation and far less about even the results of what I was making, because a lot of what I was making was really weird. It was about falling in love with the process of making anything at all, and that process being the thing that was cool. So I would just say, trust the people that you're teaching. If those people are children, then they're probably much wiser than you are, and so keep your eyes and ears open for their ideas, and kind of let them climb the ladders that excite them. And if a student can be enabled to feel like their voice is as valuable as anybody else's and that they can be fearless with it, then far more exciting than another version of me, I think you'll have a fully fledged version of them, and that's something to live for.
What a great way to wrap things up. Thank you so much, Jacob, for coming on the show today. Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe. And we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching. So make sure you check out some of those other ones here. I'll see you in the next video.